Sufi mystics have played a profoundly influential role in the spiritual and cultural history of India, promoting a liberal and inclusive form of Islam that often blended with local traditions. Here is an overview of the major Sufi orders and the most influential mystics. Major Sufi orders, silsilas, in India. Sufis organized themselves into orders known as silsilas. The four most prominent in India are Order, Silsila, founder in India. Key characteristics Chishti, Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti, most popular. Emphasized poverty, detachment from state service, love for humanity, and the use of music, sama or kavwali, as a path to divine connection. Suhrawardi, Bahauddin Jakaria. Unlike the Chishtis, they often accepted state service and grants from rulers, viewing wealth as a means to help the poor. Prominent in Punjab and Multan. Qadiri, Shah Nimtullah. Later arrival, popular in Punjab. Adherents included the Mughal prince Dara Shikoh. They emphasized the doctrine of Wahadat al-Wujud, unity of being. Naqshbandi, Khwaja Bahauddin Naqshbandi, the most orthodox order, stressed strict adherence to the Shariat, Islamic law, and rejected popular Sufi practices like music and visiting tombs. Glowing star most influential Sufi mystics. The Chishti order produced some of India's most revered saints. 1. Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti, d. 1236 CE, significance, considered the fountainhead of Sufism in India and the founder of the Chishti order there. Center, settled in Ajmer, Rajasthan, which became his permanent residence and the main center of the order. Shrine, his tomb, the Ajmer Sharif Dargah, is one of the most visited shrines in South Asia by people of all faiths. 2. Khwaja Qutbuddin Bakhtiar Kaki, d. 1235 CE, significance, disciple and successor to Moinuddin Chishti. He established the Chishti order's presence in Delhi. Legacy, the Qutub Minar in Delhi is believed by some to be named after him. 3. Baba Fariduddin Ganjeshkar, Baba Farid, d. 1265 CE, significance, popularized the order in modern Punjab and Haryana. Legacy, known for his compassion and generosity. His verses, written in the local Punjabi language, are included in the Guru Granth Sahib, the holy scripture of Sikhism, highlighting the cross-cultural exchange. 4. Hazrat Nizamuddin Aulia, d. 1325 CE, significance, the most famous Chishti saint in Delhi, stressed humanism and love as the path to God. He avoided contact with rulers and lived a life of austerity. Disciples, his most famous disciple was the legendary poet and musician Amir Khusro, known as the Parrot of India and the father of Qawwali. Shrine, his dargah in Delhi is a vibrant center for Sufi culture and music. Other notable mystics Sheikh Nasiruddin Chirag Dehlavi, the lamp of Delhi's successor to Nizamuddin Aulia. He kept the Chishti tradition alive in Delhi. Khwaja Bande Nawaz Gesudraj, d. 1422 CE carried the Chishti tradition to the Deccan region, centering his work in Gulbarga. Mian Mir died in 1635 CE, a famous saint of the Qadiri order who was a spiritual teacher to the Mughal prince Dara Shikoh. Sufism's emphasis on inner purity, love, devotion, and service to humanity contributed significantly to religious tolerance and cultural synthesis, fostering a unique blend of traditions in the Indian subcontinent.